Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can use Retrofit library in Android Studio to fetch response from APIs. So as you can see, I have already created one application, Java application means Android application where we will be using Java programming language. And here we need a recycler view, so I'm adding a recycler view where width and height will be match parent and id we have just provided comment rv so that we will use it later to add the content. And the json placeholder is one of the url that we can use to perform the rest api get all. As you can see, get all post, and within that we have comments. So here we have an array of objects, we can say. So one object, then id, post id, user id, comment, another object, id, user, post id, user id, and then comment. So we will have four attributes in our class, and we will use this url to perform the rest api consuming by using retrofit library. So here we are creating layout so that we can show it into one of the comment item. So that will be root element will be relative layout. So this comment is going to hold profile image, user id, then comment. And I'm creating the height to be 90 dp so that it can hold those content as compact as possible. And id I provided commit item. Then we will need card view to make a card kind of structure, means we will be making circular. So provided width and height as 32 dp, it will act as a border for our image. id also provided profile card, and inside of this card view we will need one more card view that will act as a circular image. Card background color we can provide, that I'm going to provide currently as black, hash triple zero. And then corner radius we can provide, let's say 50 dp. So after that we can close this, and we can create a child of this card view, that is again a card view. So as you can see, I'm providing 30 dp and 30 dp of width and height so that it will be contained in the black card view, and black card view will be behaving as a border. Card corner radius provided same, then layout gravity we will provide center. Okay, now you can see the parent is behaving like a corner, I mean border. So id we will provide profile card 2. Then inside this we will have an image view. So I have just pasted in drawable, you can see programmily.png, so that we are going to use currently as an image. So let's say 28 dp, 28 dp height and width, id, profile image, and source. Before that, scale type, center crop. Then source we will have from drawable, so drawable and programmity. So now you can see, but this is looking like a circular not a circular image. So for that we will need to make width and height similar to the parent of the card view, that means match parent, and width will be also match parent. Okay, now it is looking better, but the border is not visible because image is already black, so we will need to change it. So card corner red, card background color, but it is still not visible. Okay, now it is better, or we can make it green as well. Now it is better, you can do the changes according to your need. Okay, so border is also visible, and we would need content description for any image view. Then after that we will have to create one linear layout, and that is going to contain user id and then comment. So that thing we can create after that this card view, but this image is not centered, so I added 10 dp of margin so that it looks better. Okay, so after these things we need user id and then comment, which will be vertically aligned, means first user id and then at the bottom of that we will need comment. So we are adding linear layout with match parent and match parent of width and height, id, comment, layout, and then we would need orientation, so that will be vertical because we need top and bottom contains user id and then comment. So after this we will need orientation of this parent relative layout as horizontal, so that we can align this linear layout to the end of the card view. So layout to end of the profile card, now you can see this is aligned to the right of the card view. And now after this we can add a text views, user id and password, I mean comment, wrap content, layout and width and height. id will be username, text you can pass username, and then after that you can copy and paste it, that similar thing, but that will be used for comment text view. So you can provide id as comment, and height and width will be same. Then you can say text will be this is comment, and we would need one bold color of, I mean this text view will be bold user name. So I'm going to add one bold like a font family, I think not font family but text style that will be used to make it bold. So text style bold, and then text size will be 11 sp to make it smaller than the comment. Then margin we can provide 16 dp to align it similarly to the image view. Then text size 11 sp, not, it is not looking better, so we can remove it. This is already bigger than the user id. Then we can make a view, width will be 300, height will be 1 dp. This is we are going to make it as a border as at the bottom of this comment. Background let's say has 111, and then after that we will need to align this to bottom of the comment layout. So align bottom to the comment layout at the id and then comment layout. And after that we will need to center horizontal, so center horizontal true, and it is visible, but let me show you more to after adding margin bottom of 5 dp. Now it is more visible. So we are done with the designing of the comment layout, so we can close this view as well. And we will go into the main activity to create an object of recycler view. So we will create one object of recycler view, and that will be comment recycler view. We will need to initialize it as well. After content, set content view comment recycler view equal to find view by id r.id dot comment rv that we had provided in our activity main. I'm going to create one object, comment means class, that is going to contain id, post id, user id, and then comment. So 3 will be integer and the last one will be string, because comment is a string and rest of them are integer, post id and then user id, and then string will be comment. As you can see, this is a string in comment section. So after that we will need to generate some getter setters for these 4 attributes. Select all and then click ok. Getter setters will be created, and then we will need one parameterized constructor. So constructor, select all and then press ok. So constructor is also created. Now we can go into the main activity, and we will need to set the layout manager for this comment recycler view. So set layout manager, new linear layout manager, this will be linear, and we can pass the context as main activity dot this or this. Now we will need retrofit library, so we will go and search for this. So retrofit library with some version, so retrofit github, is this containing that? Yeah, I think this is containing, yeah, at the bottom I think I saw, yeah, this one, we can copy this and paste it in our Gradle. So we will need to copy one of these implementation and then paste it and cut this, paste it in that implementation. And we also need one more JSON converter, so we will go ahead and search that as well. JSON converter, so second one will be useful for us. Yeah, this one, implementation. Copy this, paste it, and copy one of these implementation and then paste it, cut this, paste it, and then you can update this latest version with 2.9.0, and after that you can sync it so that required files will be downloaded. And now we got the retrofit library, so we can create one of the retrofit object. Retrofit equals new retrofit dot builder. Then after that we will have to pass base URL into our base URL method, then add converter factory, then converter factory implementation that we had added. This will provide JSON converter factory dot create method and build it. So string URL we will have to pass. That URL we can get from here. So copy this and paste it over here, but we don't need this comments. So we will remove this and later we will use it in our interface by using get method of the HTTP request, or we can say retrofit. So new Java class we can create in the same package, that will be nothing but interface fetch command. And here we need one call. So call of retrofit, you can see this one, third one, retrofit call, and then here we will get list of comment, because in JSON we were having an array, so that's why we are getting list of comment, get comments, and then fetch comment. We will create one object of this fetch comment by using retrofit dot create fetch comment dot class. So we got one object of this fetch comment by using retrofit, and we now need call list of that comment. Yeah, call list of comment, and here we can call fetch comment dot get comments, comment list call the get comments method that we had created in the interface, comment list call dot enqueue. So and in enqueue method we will need an object of callback. So you can see this callback is an interface where we have two methods, uh, call and then response, and then this one is throwable. So this is on response, on failure, so we are providing the implementation directly over here. If response is not successful, then in that case we can just create one toast and show that not success or anything such like that. In else case we will do our operation to get the response body from this response. Okay, so else list of comment, then comments, and here we need response dot body. So response dot body will return list of comment, and we will have to create one comment adapter. So comment adapter equals new comment adapter. Here we will have to pass this list of comments and then the context. So this comment adapter is already not created, so I will create one of them by clicking on alt enter, and then comment adapter will extend recycler view dot adapter. So this one, and then this will be comment adapter dot comment holder. So comment holder, implement the methods, three methods, and then static class that we will be creating is comment holder. Inside this comment adapter class, that is going to extend view holder, recycler view dot view holder, and we will have to add the constructor of the parent class, that is view holder, where we now you are seeing there is one error. So this is the error that we are getting, that means we have not created one of the constructor of the comment adapter. So we will create the constructor, and before that we will need to objects. One is context, and then the other one will be two variables, context and then list of comment, that is comments. So we are going to initialize it inside our comment adapter constructor. So generate one of the constructor. These two will be contained in that constructor, parameterized constructor. So now it is gone, error is gone, and after that we can set this comment adapter into the comment recycler view. So set adapter, this comment adapter, and after that set has fixed size to true. And here get item count from comments list, comments dot size. We will initialize the text view and image view in the comment folder. Text view, username, and then user comment, and we'll have an image view. So an object of image view, profile image, and we can initialize it over here inside the constructor of this comment folder. Item view dot find view by id r dot id dot username. Similarly, all the twos, remaining two, user comment, then this is nothing but a comment, so that's why it is giving error. So the id was comment actually, profile image was same. Now we need onBind view holder method implementation. So holder dot username dot set text, and the text we will get from comments dot get position dot get user id, not the comment but user id, because we are setting the user id into our username text view. So copy this, paste it, user comment, then here get comment, and we can set image also by using drawable or with the help of glide, but currently we are not going to set it. You can set it by yourself, so we can use glide library also. So that thing. Now we should do the implementation of onCreate view holder. So we will go inside that and we will create an object of view, then view equals layout inflator dot from context, the context that will pass from the parent, inflate r dot layout dot comment activity, and then parent. After that, attached to root will be false. Here we will have to return the comment holder object, so just pass the view in that constructor. And I think now everything is looking good in comment adapter. We can go ahead in our main activity, and main activity is already completed. So go in android manifest and provide one permission. So this is mandatory, you will need it, internet permission, because we are fetching it from internet. And one more thing that we have to do is to provide @get retrofit http. Here we will pass comments as a string. This is comments from here, so whatever is there you will have to provide over here comments, so that it will map to the required method. And now we can test the application. I have already started my emulator and I will be running the application inside that emulator. So I've clicked on the run application, so it is going to take some time. Let's hope we don't get any error. Okay, so I think we got one exception. Okay, let's go into the tomcat log, means logcat, and inside this resource not found string resource id, where we are getting this onBind view holder method. So at line 33, so this is get user id. Okay, this was an integer, but uh, set text view was expecting a string, so we will have to convert that to into string. So string dot value of will be used over here, or you can use any other technique to resolve this bug actually. And after this we shouldn't get any exception. I've already started the application. Yeah, so in this case I think our lab app launched successfully. We are getting user id and then comment, but There is one overlapping thing happening that you can resolve by using max lines. So max lines you can provide 3, but I'm not going to restart the application again. So you can do it by yourself by providing max lines. So this was one of the way to get the data from the REST APIs by using Retrofit library in Android. Thank you.